continue this, our discussion today also, and we believe in this system. Our session will be very good, interactive, and that should be fruitful for all of us. Next slide. As we are familiar about that, the different aspects of the life are influenced by the different aspects of our surrounding environment, our society, our family. In similar manner, regarding the students, or all the actions of the family members and society members that have the influence on the activity and the development of the personality of the children. So this should be observed, we should be discuss about what are the different other aspects, how we can develop, how we can promote the mental health of our students. Problems. We have discussed all these points: mental health interventions, medical models, social models, healing system assessed by people. Now, our next topic, that's the mental health promotion. Develop balanced care, that is the most important concept of the development of the mental health of a person, of a child. We are getting that here. Develop balanced care, that is equal to hospital care plus community care. No doubt, in the case of any mental problem, the hospital care or use of the different types of the medicines that is needed. But together with equally important, that's the community care. Mixture of medical and social models. That is a balanced care. In this series, what's our responsibility? We are responsible to perform the task, perform our duty as multidisciplinary team for the promotion of mental health of the society members and the child. Our role, that is very vast. We should be multidisciplinary. We should be not focused towards only one task or only one work. All the aspects that should be properly observed by us. Support traditional healing system. What is that traditional belief or traditional medicines or techniques? In that respect, we can talk about that meditation, yoga, all these things are essentially important, equally important for the promotion support of the traditional healing system. Promote family and community support, that is very important. Without the support of the family and community members, that possibility of the better mental health is not possible. Integration with community development, that is very, very important. The integration of the personality, a person with the community development. Social inclusion and participation. It is important, the social inclusion and their participation in the development of the good mental health. Reduce risk factor, we are getting that is very important thing. Whenever that should be fearless, a person, a child, till the time that is not getting that, is away from the fear, till that time the development of the proper mental health is not possible, that is not able to respond to the in a proper manner. What are the recommendations for developing community-based mental health services? Community-based, fundamentally that community what's that, provide a surrounding environment with the student or a child, that is very, very important. And that is the basic need of the promotion of the mental health. What are the principles we are getting there here? Bottom up approach, homegrown, basically that the development of a child or that promotion of the mental health, that should be started from the family. What are the response of the family members? In that condition, that should be able to get the proper development, proper mental health condition. Involve local community organization. Very, very important role of the local community organizations. That's the schools. And we are the members of the school. We are responsible to shape the future of the child. So it's our key role for the development of a good mental health, a good individuality among the students. Together with the school, here is the discussion about the religious places, temples, churches, mosques, etc. All these social community centers, we can consider that these are the community centers of the society which support to us, support to our children for the development in the form of a well organized, well behaved citizen, culturally and socially acceptable sensitivity. That child must should be sensitive. We are familiar about that. In comparison of an adult, children are more sensitive regarding their surrounding environment. In this way, their cultural and social acceptability is required for their development. Include marginalized groups, integrate local knowledge with outside expertise. No doubt, fundamentally, according to the geographical conditions, treatment or the response against a particular condition, that should be different. And in that case, the local knowledge is also needed for to integrate that outside expertise by which we can treat, we can inculcate a better personality of the students. Factors affecting mental health and well-being in children. What are the factors are important that have the impact, they have the influence among the development of the mental health and well-being of the children? We are getting here lack of access of education and facilities. That is the key role of the education among the development of the proper mental health and well-being of the children. Whenever that is unable to get that proper education and facilities, together with that education, there is the requirement of the basic facilities for that child. Child neglect, ill treatment, and poor care. All these things have the adverse impact on the child, that whenever that will be neglected in society, in the family, that cannot shape to themselves in a good person. The complications of that child, complication among that have the impact on the negative impact on the development of that personality. Malnutrition, malnourishment, some directly that should be impact on the mental health whenever that should be physically not fit. Then in that condition, the mental growth is not takes place in proper way. Traumatic experiences, loss of family members, displacement, detention, physical injuries, all these factors have the negative impact on the development of that personality of a child. Whenever there should be loss of any family members, that should be remember that have that emotions with that member, and in that condition we have got that experience in the during pandemic of the corona. So many child have lost their parents, their family members, and these things have the adverse impact on that child. Displacement, detention, physical injury, all these things have the adverse impact on the personality of that child. Substance abuse, sexual abuse, and child prostitution. We are familiar about that. Sexual abuse and the child prostitution, all these are the so many social stigmas. And whenever a child would be suffer from that condition, that will get that experience in life, that mental development, mental growth, and well-being of that child should be negatively impacted. Child trafficking and labor, these are the major problems of the world of our country. Domestic violence, that is another very important impact in the personality of the children. Domestic violence, family disputes, that leads an adverse personality, adverse impact of that child. Family breakdown, that is a divorce, separation, desertions, all this distraction in family that have the negative impact. Recruitment as child soldiers. In the early stage, the recruitment of child, that is the another important impact. Parents working abroad, whenever a child is not getting that proper parental care, parents are not with that child, in that condition the proper mental health, mental growth of that child is not possible. Competition and pressure for achievement, nowadays that's the major impact in the personality development of the child. We are getting that is a common factor. What we are getting that whenever that child is getting all the facilities and that is getting the proper education, that one is suffering, greatly suffering from that competition pressure to achievement. That is a major problem in a well-behaved society. We are not talking about that family or that condition. Whenever there is not the sufficient facilities are available with the child, whenever that is getting all the facilities and that condition that have got the target to achieve, you must get the first position in the classroom. Why you are not getting that rank? What is your marks of percentage? Why you have not get won that GK competition? Different types of the competitions. No doubt competitions are needed, but whenever that should be in the form of the pressure that have the adverse impact. Are you agree? I hope that honorable members, you are agree with this point. Competition and pressure, that is a very what we can say, that is a major drawback of the white collared society. Can you share something, Ajay Tiwari sir? What is that new stigma that is the frame of our society? Competition and pressure.
Yes,
that is a major factor of the distraction of the child, as well as that disabilities, different type of the disabilities of the child that destroy the personality, mental standard. Whenever that should be physically disabled, in that condition, that will be not get the mental peace, that will be mentally impacted. Mental health problems of children. What are that problems? Emotional problems such as the phobias, excessive anxiety, depression, irrational fears, all these factors. What is that phobia? Different type of the phobia in the life of a children that not good for the proper development of that child. Excessive anxiety. That is the case of the depression in general. We are familiar that case of the depression that the in is reported mainly in the adulthood, while as that's also reported among the children. Unusual behavior, conduct such as the aggressiveness, timidity. We have that experience among the in the classroom also. A few students are very aggressive behavior. They aggressively respond to the act of their classmates as well as the action of the teachers. While if you are very timid, they are shy in nature, they are not able to respond whenever they are familiar about the answers also. Inattention, overactivity at school or home, all these factors have the negative impact on the child. Difficulties, delay in acquiring certain skills such as speech, writing, reading. Time to time, we organize different types of the events of speech, writing, and reading in school, and we are getting that a common problem. So many students are not interested to participate in such type of the activities. All these cases, all these conditions have the negatively impact on the mental health of that child. Problems in attachment to parent or caregivers such as not showing or responding to affection, when severe maybe autism. That condition, whenever parents and guardians of the children are not properly caring to that child, food fads, eating problems such as the refusing to eat, including vomiting, maybe anorexia, that is the different conditions in which that child is not able to get the proper supplements, proper nutrients. All these things have the negative impact on the child. Sleeping problems such as the excessive sleepiness, insomnia, all these cases have, all these conditions have the negative impact. Post-traumatic problems such as reliving traumatic incidents may become post-traumatic stress disorder. All these disorders negatively impact to the mental health of that child. How we can dealing with mental health problems of children? Try to pick up what we can do. Special needs that child may have, such as early learning difficulties. Whenever a child that is not able to learn, read and write in their early stage, a special care, a special guidance is required to him or her. Dyslexia, that is another condition. Whenever that is recognition of the words and writing letters that is not properly reported among the children, that conditions have the impact on the child, and in the development of that child we can promote that hearing loss, early deafness of the child. That is the cases, these are the cases. By that, it's our responsibility to protect that child. Visual impairment, that condition, whenever that child is not getting properly capacity of the to observe the things, understand to things, learn to things, in that condition a special care is needed there. Problems in the child's interactions, what are the condition in which a child is not getting that proper interaction, that is unable to do that with other children, teacher and other authorities, बच्चा बात नहीं कर पाता, तो इस कंडीशन में हमारी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है उस स्पेशल चाइल्ड का ट्रीटमेंट, एंड दैट नॉट द मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट, our support, our motivation with that child is very, very important. Family problems at home. What are the problems we are required to sort out that? Difficulties in socialization, not mixing, isolating. We have that experience. So many students in our family as well as in our class, they are not behave normally. They not mix up with the other classmates, not talk to the teachers. In that condition, it's our minute observation is needed. Whenever we should be observed to that child carefully, and we should be talk about their problems, what the problems they are unable to mix with others, or what are the reasons due to that they are not getting comfortable with others. We must boost up to that child. ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, हम ये करें कि उनकी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करें. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अस, दैट इज द पेरेंट्स मीटिंग एट ए frequent interval, frequently meeting with the parents. That is important to get that status of the family, what's going on in their family, everything okay or not. According to that, our dealing with the child is needed to promote the mental health of that child. How can the teachers help? That is the most important topic for all of us. What's our role? That is paying more attention to children with special needs or problems. And what is that ratio we are getting? That is the 20 to 30% of child. In general, we can say that approximate whenever our class strength is 40. In that condition, near about 8, in very simply 8 to 12. In average, 1/4 of the population of our students that's in need of the special care. In that condition, what's our duties? How we can sort out that problem of that child? What's your opinion, honorable members? Can you say about that condition, especially among the junior students, junior classes? That is the problem of the recognition. The major problem, पहली बात तो यही आती है कि their recognition. In general, whenever in a class a child is not doing their proper homework, that is not able to respond the question of the teacher, we generally consider that is not good in studies. सीधा सा हम ये मतलब निकाल लेते हैं, सीधी सी ये बात हम बताते हैं कि वो पढ़ने में अच्छा नहीं है. But how? That is the okay, that is enough. Respond, or we can do something for that child. Hello? I want your response, please. Due to this monotonous conversation, one-way conversation, we have scheduled that time वी हैव चेंज द टाइम। मैं आपका रिस्पांस सुनना चाहता हूं, आप भी कुछ बताएं कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं। हेलो।
बच्चों के पेरेंट के साथ कोऑपरेट करना होगा, उनके रूट प्रॉब्लम्स में जानी होगी।
वेलकम सर।
क्या प्रॉब्लम है बच्चे का, ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है, इसलिए उनको बहुत क्लोजली वॉच करना होगा, पेरेंट्स से बात करनी होगी और बच्चों को कॉन्फिडेंस देना होगा। और जो भी उसकी प्रॉब्लम है, वन बाय वन, लिटिल बिट, स्लोली एंड स्लोली वी हैव टू सॉल्व हिज और हर प्रॉब्लम। This is not a one-day game changer steps. We have to take serious steps on continuous basis. That is my opinion.
यहाँ कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Yes, good morning, sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा। हमारी आवाज लेकिन हम नहीं सुन पा रहे, तो मुझे देर से बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं सुन पा रहे। हम उनकी आवाज, इधर से कोई आवाज जो आ रही है वो नहीं सुन रहे। छोड़ दीजिए, किसको स्लाइड शेयर। Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes.
How can teachers help paying more attention to children with special needs or problems? In all such type of the cases, our special attention is required to find out that problem of the child. क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनके साथ, क्या सिचुएशन है, फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, उनके घर से स्कूल तक के एनवायरनमेंट में हमारे क्लासरूम की प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, इन सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को हमें फाइंड आउट करना होगा। देन आफ्टर वी कैन फाइंड द रेमेडी, एज वी आर फैमिलियर अबाउट इन द केस ऑफ द मेडिकल treatment. Before to the treatment, it is required to diagnose. Diagnosis is the very important aspect of the treatment. Whenever you can properly diagnose the problem of the child, according to that we can treat to him or her. प्रोवाइडिंग ए सेफ कॉन्टेस्ट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन टू टॉक। सबसे बड़ी बात क्या होनी चाहिए कि वो बच्चा, वो स्टूडेंट आपका आपसे बात करे, और बात करने के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन क्या है कि वो आपके साथ अपने आप को सेफ फील करे। लिसनिंग एंड टॉकिंग टू चिल्ड्रन, उसकी बातें सुने और उससे बात करें, उसके प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे। हाउ कैन टीचर्स हेल्प? मेकिंग रेफरल्स टू रेलेवेंट specialties, children with severe emotional disturbance, post-traumatic status, eating disorders, deafness, autism, family issues, क्या है प्रॉब्लम? That is the aspect of the diagnose the case. उस person to person that will be vary. In that particular child, what is that emotional status of that child? वो इमोशन, उसकी फीलिंग्स कैसी है, वो कैसे रिएक्ट करता है, that is the EQ. As we are talking about that IQ from the very long time, but nowadays the another aspect of the EQ, emotional quotient of the child, of a person, that is variable. सिर्फ उसके इंटेलिजेंस क्वेश्चन की हम बात नहीं करें, उस पर फोकस न करें, टुगेदर विथ दैट we must focus towards the emotional quotient of the child. What is that way of response of that child with the particular type of incidents? We have that experience. Whenever any child have got any illness or any problem in your class, some students become very sensitive. They start to cry, but some are remain neutral. तो इमोशंस क्या है उसके, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट उसकी ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर्स क्या है, उसकी लाइफ स्टाइल क्या है, फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, उसके इंडिविजुअल प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है. Whenever we should be find out, we can diagnose, then we can treat that in a proper way, enabling children to develop appropriate life skill. We should be enhance that development of it, the proper life skill to the children, self-esteem and resiliency. These are the very important aspects when we inculcate among the children, then their mental health should be better. How we can prevent the mental health problems? Acquiring professional skills in understanding child development. Whenever you should be acquire the professional skill, no doubt that is very important, or you can say most important aspect of our teacher, not for the child. I am talking about the teacher. That is the acquiring professional skills. That is important. Whenever we should be proficient, efficient, then we can diagnose quickly the problem, and then we can sort out the problem of the child. Creating a supportive school environment. Certainly, always we talk about the safety matter of the student. The safety is needed for the proper development of the child inside the classroom, outside the classroom, in the playground, everywhere, in all the spheres of the school as well as at the home. That child is getting a fearless environment, then, and not only the fearless, that is the supportive environment. We are ready to support that problems of the child, that is conducive to learning and development of life skills. Different life skill of the children that promote, that provide the mental health, providing mental health education. उनको इन्फॉर्म किया जाए, मेंटल हेल्थ की एजुकेशन दी जाए. Regarding that, we are familiar about that moral education that also promote in the proper mental health of the child, knowledge, attitude, and behavior of all children. All these things are needed. Educating parent and community members. Nowadays, we are familiar about that different schools. That happens in our school also. But that is very emphasis towards the education of the parent. Whenever the parent should be educate, then they can nurture their child in a proper way. And community members on risk and protective factors of mental health. हम सबको बच्चे के पेरेंट्स और सोसाइटी मेंबर्स को ये फैमिलियर होना चाहिए कि कैसे उस बच्चे को प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए जिससे कि उसका मेंटल हेल्थ डिस्टर्ब न हो. Identifying factors that place children at risk. We are responsible to recognize that aspects, that corners of the life of a child in which that is not getting the proper comfort. What's that is the comfort zone. कौन सी ऐसी जगह है, क्या ऐसी बातें हैं जो कि उस बच्चे को उसके कंफर्ट जोन से अलग करती हैं. कंफर्ट जोन मींस दैट इज गेटिंग दैट रिस्क. जहां कंफर्टेबल नहीं है वहां उसकी लर्निंग अच्छी नहीं होगी. Identifying factors that place children at risk and reinforcing protective factors. Whenever you should be reinforce that protective factors, then that child will be get a proper nurturing. Challenges. What are the challenges are in front of us? How can you provide a safe and supportive environment in which all students can maximize their learning? कैसे हम ये गोल अचीव कर सकते हैं कि जहां पर कि स्टूडेंट की लर्निंग को मैक्सिमाइज किया जा सके. For that, how can we remain accessible and responsive to their needs? हम कैसे अवेलेबल रहें बच्चों के लिए, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करने के लिए. How can we assist our students to develop their abilities to cope with challenges and stress? कैसे हम उनको असिस्ट कर सकते हैं प्रॉपर वे में to develop their ability and cope with the challenges and stress. ये कैसे हो सकता है? ये सारी चैलेंजेस है हमारे सामने. इन चैलेंजेस को कैसे फेस करेंगे? प्रोवाइडिंग सपोर्टिंग कॉन्टेक्स्ट फॉर चिल्ड्रन, liaising with families, parents and caregivers, that is the home visits. Proper liaison, proper coordination with the family members, parents and those persons who are responsible to care of the child. Then fostering partnership between the school and community agencies, service providers. That is a proper relationship, a proper interaction, regular interaction that is needed in between the school and community agencies. Fundamental community agency, that is the family of that child. There are very less number of the child are in boarding in our locality. Even then, where they are staying, what the remaining time after the school they are staying there, that agency, that place should be safe and sound for that child is required. Strengthening community support network. Community support network is very important for the promotion of the mental health of child. What's that factors that enhance resiliency among children? Positive role models. We are needed to be positive role model first of all themselves. And the development of such type of the role models in society also. Positive self-esteem. Till that time a child not get the motivated, that not get the sound mental health, mental status, till that time that have not the self-esteem, very important. Supportive relationship with teachers and friends. A positive, a supportive relationship of that child with their in the classroom with the different classmates as well as from the teacher is needed. Whenever that will be not positive, not supportive, in that condition, that not get a proper mental status. A sense of hope and purpose. उस बच्चे में एक होप होनी चाहिए जीवन के लिए, उसमें पॉजिटिविटी होनी चाहिए, वो डेवलप करना, ये सारी चीजें इनकलकेट करने के लिए फंडामेंटली, ऑफिशियली और अनऑफिशियली यू कैन से दैट, मोरली, एक वर्ड हम और यहाँ कंक्रीट टर्म यूज करें, मोरल ड्यूटी होती है हमारी कि उसमें एक लाइफ के लिए होप हो, एक पर्पज उसके लाइफ में हम सेट कर सके, तब तक वो चाइल्ड, वो हमारा स्टूडेंट प्रॉपरली मेंटली साउंड नहीं होगा। बिलीव इन वन सेल्फ, उसको अपने में विश्वास हो, इसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें अपने में विश्वास पैदा करना है। उनके पेरेंट्स को ये क्षेत्र हो कि पेरेंट्स जो कर रहे हैं वो बच्चे के लिए कर रहे हैं, और उस बच्चे को अपने ऊपर विश्वास हो कि वो कुछ कर सकता है, लाइफ में बहुत बेहतर कर सकता है। स्ट्रॉन्ग सोशल स्किल्स उसके डेवलप हो। गुड पीयर रिलेशनशिप, वी आर फैमिलियर अबाउट द पीयर प्रेशर। पीयर प्रेशर में हम सब आज भी बहुत कुछ अच्छा कर जाते हैं, तो सर्टेनली वो स्टूडेंट भी बेहतर कर सकता है अपनी लाइफ में अगर उसका पीयर ग्रुप बेहतर हो, उसके फ्रेंड्स अच्छे हों, उसके आसपास जो इसके साथ वो मैक्सिमम स्पैन ऑफ टाइम एक्सपेंड करता है अपने लाइफ का, अपने एक दिन का, वो ग्रुप, पीयर ग्रुप उसका बेहतर होगा। दैट विल बी प्रोवाइड ए पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट इन द लाइफ ऑफ द चाइल्ड। व्हाट आर लाइफ स्किल्स, क्या लाइफ स्किल्स उसको बना सीखनी है, क्या जरूरत है। लाइफ इन हार्मोनी विथ पेरेंट, टीचर्स एंड अदर्स, एक हार्मोनी के साथ उसकी डेवलपमेंट हो, एक हार्मोनिकल एनवायरनमेंट में वो रहे। लिव इन हार्मोनी विथ पीयर्स फ्रॉम वेरियस कम्युनिटीज एंड क्लासेज, डिफरेंट ग्रुप में जहां भी वो एग्जिस्ट करता है, दैट मस्ट शुड बी चीयरफुल। एक in general you have observed that around you there are a few members who are very timid, shy, they are very good in knowledge, even then they are not ready to talk with you, they don't have the harmony with you. Make social and culturally appropriate relationship, social और cultural relationship appropriate develop होना चाहिए। Make decisions that are in keeping with social and cultural norms. What are that ethical values, expectations क्या हो, kith and kin. Mention a sense of self-worth as well as respect for others. सेल्फ वर्थ की वैल्यू होनी चाहिए, वो बच्चा अपने आप को इंपॉर्टेंट माने, इसके साथ ही साथ वो दूसरों का भी रेस्पेक्ट करे। इस पर हम लोग लास्ट डिस्कशन में भी, लास्ट सेशन में भी हमने बात किया था कि टिल दैट टाइम anyone cannot respect to other till that time that don't have the respect for themselves. जब तक खुद के लिए रेस्पेक्ट नहीं होगा तब तक वो दूसरों की रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करेगा। It's our responsibility, it's our duty. We must inculcate among the students, deal with adversity in society acceptable and culturally appropriate way. Certainly in the life of a children, in the life of a person, there are so many adversities. Whenever that one is not able to face that adversity, that cannot develop to themselves in a proper way. A specific life skills, a specific skills should depend on social and cultural context in which the person lives, जहां पर वो रहता है, so would vary the specific height of skill required according to that environment of that person, of that child, that a specific skill should be depend upon that. The specific of the skills required would change as society changes and our person moves, migrate, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहा है, तो in that different places, different area of the country, in the different area of the world, there is a culture is different, their society is different, people's response is different. According to that, whenever that would be able to manage to themselves, then that can develop good mental status. Thank you. Thanks a lot to all of you. In this way, we have got that. What are the conditions? What are required for the development of a good personality, a good individual, how we can provide a good citizen to the nation? I want your comment one by one. You unmute to themselves and provide your suggestions how we can develop a perfect environment in our school. हम अपने स्कूल में, फाउंडेशन स्कूल बक्सर में कैसे ये गोल अचीव कर सकते हैं कि जहां की हमारे बच्चे एक बेहतर मेंटल ग्रोथ अचीव कर सके, and certainly whenever they should be achieve a good mental health, then they should be an excellent citizen of the nation. Yes, please. I want your respond. Ashwini Rai sir, Naveen sir.
Good morning, sir. सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ये स्टूडेंट से कहेंगे कि उनमें और या फिर उनमें सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट अगर डेवलप करना चाहें तो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट अगर डेवलप करने के लिए वो बच्चा खुद डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शंस लेने शुरू करेगा और वो वैसे काम करेगा जिससे वो रिस्पेक्ट गेन कर पाए. So in this way, my opinion, we can make a good environment in our school.
Thank you, sir. Very good. It's our key responsibility, the development of good mental health of the students by the different aspects. As teacher, we are familiar about the social well-being. Social well-being, that is the key element, no doubt. The material well-being, security, all these things are important. Among them, the social well-being is the key element for the promotion of mental health of the child. Until that time, we are unable to provide a good society, a perfect environment to the child. We cannot hope, we cannot get the proper condition, proper mental growth of the child. Yeah, certainly. I hope Pradhan sir is audible. Pradhan sir, as I have listened that you have decided the topic, happy teachers create happy classroom. Birendra Pradhan sir, that happy teacher and happy classroom, that is the perfect aspect by which you can create a good harmony in the classroom. I think till time Pradhan sir is not audible, not able to listen me. Birendra Pradhan sir,
कहा जाए,
your
कहा जाए।
response is needed. कैसे
सुन रहे हैं सर,
आप
सुन रहे
हैप्पी
हैं।
टीचर होके क्लासरूम हैप्पी क्लासरूम एनवायरनमेंट आप क्रिएट करेंगे. दैट इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. Whenever the student should be happy, you will be happy in the class. The class should be certainly live and interactive. जब टीचर खुश होगा तो उसके स्टूडेंट सर्टेनली क्लासरूम का एनवायरनमेंट बेहतर होगा. देयर शुड बी ए बेटर हार्मोनी इन द क्लासरूम. देन व्हाट आर द स्ट्रेटजीज यू इंप्लीमेंट इन योर क्लासरूम? आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताइए कि आप कैसे इतनी एनर्जी, इतनी पॉजिटिविटी क्लासरूम में मेंटेन कर पाते हैं.
देखिए सर, क्लास में एनर्जी मेंटेन करना तो ये अपने ऊपर है. जब तक आप देखिए, चिंता सबके पास है, सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है ही, लेकिन जहां वर्क प्लेस पर आप आते हैं तो सभी चीजों को घर पर ही आप छोड़ दीजिए. केवल वहां के बारे में सोचिए जहां पर आप काम करते हैं. और वहां पर जब ये बात सोच करके जब आएंगे तो केवल आपका ध्यान काम पर ही रहेगा और केवल बच्चों के प्रति ही आप सोचेंगे. और क्लास में बच्चे तभी पढ़ पाएंगे जब आप मेंटली ठीक रहेंगे. जैसे मेंटल का डिफिनेशन तो आपने दिया, जैसे कि अगले दिन भी और हम भी थोड़ा सा तो जानते ही हैं सर कि सामाजिक तौर पर भी माने सही होना चाहिए आदमी को, फिजिकल भी सही होना चाहिए और मेंटली भी सही होना चाहिए. तो हर तरह से सही होना चाहिए. कि जब आप क्लास में जाते हैं और क्लास में जब आप स्टूडेंट के साथ सही बर्ताव करते हैं, सही सोचते हैं स्टूडेंट के बारे में, तो बच्चे आपके प्रति भी सोचेंगे और क्लास रेगुलर सही चलेगा. सर
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू प्रधान सर. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर सच नाइस टिप्स to all of us.
जी,
in this series Naveen Pandey sir is visible here. Naveen Pandey sir.
Yes sir.
Sir, what your experience as a science teacher? What do you think about the promotion of mental health of the child? What are the skills? What are the steps we are required to take? How we can develop?
Sir, what I think is that first of all, we need to, as teachers, we need to be happy, and we are happy. Like, we need to be happy because once we are mentally sound and capable, then only we can exude that kind of a you can say positivity amongst the students. So first of all, it starts with us. Secondly, one more thing what I feel, because all the things which you have said, they sound very good, of course, once implemented, because you know what I also feel, that each and every student I mean, should feel a sense of belonging to the classroom. Because many a times what I feel, that students, most of them, not all, they come, it is kind of a routine.
Good sir.
They have been sent here to study, they have come, somehow they pass time and all. I'm not talking about all the students, but many of them. So what I feel, that if we are able to do that, that we can make each and every student feel as if he belongs to this place, he belongs to the classroom, he is important. I think things will start changing for good.
Very good, sir. Excellent. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Can we, Saroj sir want to say something, or I think Saroj sir and Aditya Vardhan sir, दो लोग दिख रहे हैं.
Yes sir.
Welcome sir, welcome.
अभी ये जो सेशन में जो डिस्कशन हुआ है प्रमोशन ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, इसमें ये देखा जा सकता है कि सर अगर बच्चे मेंटली और फिजिकली साउंड होंगे तभी वो स्टडी अच्छी तरीके से कर सकते हैं, चाहे हम कितना भी प्रयास करें उनके डेवलपमेंट के लिए. लेकिन जब तक कोई स्टूडेंट जो है मेंटली और फिजिकली
इन मीन टाइम सर, एक मिनट
नहीं है.
सर प्लीज Am I audible to all of you? Please don't share your attendance in the group. That's not needed. Your attendance should be recorded automatically. In-house training में आपको attendance लिंक पर आप अपनी अटेंडेंस मेंटेन करिए. उस अटेंडेंस को ग्रुप में भेजने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. आपकी अटेंडेंस रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगी यहाँ खुद ब खुद. उस प्रूफ को यहाँ भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है, ग्रुप में भेजने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप अटेंडेंस लिंक पर अपनी अटेंडेंस बनाइए. और इन मीन टाइम आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट अप्रोक्सीमेट 5 मिनट टाइम्स और मोर, 5 मिनट और बचे हैं. 5 मिनट आप और ग्रुप में प्रेजेंट रहें. अटेंडेंस लिंक शेयर कर दिया गया है, अटेंडेंस आप शेयर कर देंगे. उसको ग्रुप में भेजने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके ग्रुप में भेजने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. प्लीज. यस सर, सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन. सरोज सर, प्लीज प्रोसीड. सरोज सर.
यस सर. जी. एक्चुअली मैं ये कह रहा था कि स्टूडेंट्स जो है मेंटली एंड फिजिकली साउंड उनका होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, तभी वो डेवलपमेंट अच्छी तरीके से कर सकते हैं. और इसके लिए हम टीचर्स रेस्पॉन्सिबल है, पेरेंट्स रेस्पॉन्सिबल है. और कंटिन्यूअसली और पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स का इंटरेक्शन बच्चों के लिए अगर लगातार बना रहता है तो उससे क्या होता है कि टीचर्स भी स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में समझ सकते हैं, पेरेंट्स भी टाइम टू टाइम जो है वो इंटरेक्शन के साथ टीचर से बने रहते हैं. और इस तरीके से हम जो है बच्चों का डेवलपमेंट के लिए, चिल्ड्रन का डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो है हम एक अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं. इसमें कोलैबोरेटिव अप्रोच के साथ पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स का इन्वॉल्वमेंट बहुत ही जरूरी है सर. थैंक यू सर.
गुड, सर्टेनली सर. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for such nice suggestions. In this way, we are going to conclude this session in the all aspects, all spheres of life. We are familiar about that. All the major and minor events of life. From the very beginning of the life of a child, proper nourishment, proper nutrition, family care, teachers care, proper response and harmony from the society members. All these things are equally important in the life of a children. Till that time, we cannot expect about a proper response, a good behavior from the student side, from the children's side. Till that time, we are unable to provide a safe, harmonical environment with that student, with that child. So, there is the key role of the family members, society members, and among all, the most important role of the teachers. By nature of the duty, by nature of the job, we are mainly responsible for the development of a proper mental status of the children. And we are required to observe that minutely. What are the surrounding environment with their children? How that is good or bad, that is positive or negative, what the condition of their peer group, what the condition of the family and their society where that students are staying. Whenever we should be properly observe that. For that, most of the time you have listened about that in our school also and other schools. Regular visit of parents meeting. Whenever our regular meeting that should be from the parents, we can better judge. We can find out that the situation of that child. So many times we had that experience. A student was very good in studies till the last year, but from this session, from last few months, that one is not responding in proper way. ऐसा होता है कि बहुत अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे अचानक उनका रिस्पांस खराब आ जाता है, उनकी परफॉर्मेंस क्लास में गिरने लगती है। तो उस कंडीशन में ये हमारी ड्यूटी होती है कि हम उनके कंडीशंस को, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को फाइंड आउट करें और उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनको प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन दिया जाए कि जहां पर जैसे कि उनका बेटरमेंट हो सके, उनका फ्यूचर सिक्योर हो सके, उनका कैरियर बेहतर हो सके। और इस नोट के साथ हम आज की इस सेशन को वाइंड अप करते हैं कि वी आर वेरी गुड टीचर, वी आर एक्सेलेंट टीचर्स, and certainly we will perform our best for the development of the good mental health of our students. Thank you. Thanks a lot to all of you. Now all of you can quit from this session. Thank you. Thanks a lot for such a nice interaction with you. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपको भी अच्छा लगा होगा। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सब बेहतर करें और आप रिसोर्स पर्सन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप भी लेना शुरू करें। थैंक यू, थैंक्स लॉट टू ऑल ऑफ यू। त्रिगुण सर, बेचू, ए बाबू,
तुम 2 रोटी खा लो पहले।
इधर आ,
सुन रही हो?
आइए ना, जल्दी आइए, जल्दी यहाँ आइए, ऑफिस में जल्दी आइए।
तुम पहले 2 रोटी खा लो। सुनो ना, पहले 2 रोटी खा लो।
पूजा ना होई,
पूजा कर देना।
खाके हम पूजा लइका लेके तो दोसर बच्चा तुम पूजा खाके
तो तुम अच्छा सुनो ना, पहले जो बहुत जरूरी काम है वही करो।
इसको बंद करिए, आइए ना, पहले बंद करिए जरा।
हां भाई, हेलो। हां,
इसको बंद कैसे किया जाएगा?
चलो जी, तनी होलै गई बॉस ना।
इस 40 पर हम बंद किए हैं, 2 मिनट ज्यादा हुआ। इसमें कहाँ बटन है इसका? इसका
पहले स्टॉप शेयरिंग कर दो। अब यहाँ से मीटिंग